Good morning from Korea. Yesterday, Rachel and I landed at around 7 p.m. after a very long 10-hour flight. Like, it felt so long. But now we are in our apartment in our first day of Korea, and we're actually gonna spend a lot of time here working from this room. But then in the afternoons, we're gonna go out and explore and like go to cafes, and I'm so excited. We also went to the convenience store yesterday to get breakfast because it's right now about 7 a.m. and the time zone difference between here and Australia is about 2 hours. Gotta stay hydrated. For breakfast, I got these, which I think are peanut butter sandwiches, and bananas. Let me give you a quick tour of our place. So here is the kitchen. We've got a fridge and a sink and a little stove. And I just love the decor in here because they have like all these really cute things. So those mugs. And then here is just the dining space where I'm gonna be working as well. I really like those drop lights. Our toilet here. Nice small toilet. Here's my room. I've got 2 beds in my room. One here. And they've just decorated it really nicely. Like, I want to get these posters because they're so cute.
The plan was that I'd work from Korea on Sydney hours to reduce any disruption to the team. Since Korea has a 2-hour difference, this means my day started at 7 a.m. and finished at 3 p.m. Pretty convenient for balancing work and exploring the city. Alright, it's about lunchtime in Sydney right now, and Rachel's gone out to buy some things, so I'm going to meet her at a cafe and gonna do some more work from there. I've just changed and gotten ready, so yeah. Here's my outfit of the day. I have a big jumper. I'm wearing like this Yes style long sleeve, and I have my Uniqlo pants on, and I'm gonna wear Stans. So yeah, it's a bit cold outside today. This is Rachel. Hello. 2 Rachels in Korea. Yeah. And it's our first time outside in the daytime in Korea. So.
Our first full day.
What are your plans for today?
Today, I will be doing a facial. So I'm going to the skincare clinic after work. And then maybe, depends on the time, I might eat a snack around there. And then I will come back and meet you for dinner.
Wait, where's your facial?
It's in the Apgujeong area, so it's like the other side of the river.
Oh, so I'll just walk around then.
I see.
I'll just go shopping in this area.
Shopping already. Day 1.
I need to buy a lot of skincare because I didn't bring much here. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy some skincare.
I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, back and forth through dark rose sky.
I just want to call out that Korea is the city for cafe hopping, and Rach is a massive foodie, so you're going to be seeing a ton of that over these next few vlogs. Yummy! I got a green tea latte, and we're sharing that cake, which is, what is it?
It's the Paris breast, which is a hazelnut cake.
Hazelnut.
Do you have to go soon?
I don't. I'll just quickly eat with the slime and then go. It tastes like light
Gonna have to do a lot of walking.
Still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves are turning brown.
We're on a walk. Yeah, pretty. We're checking out a bouldering gym, but we're not gonna go right now.
Oh, it's so crowded.
So at night, this is where people perform, but in the day there's nothing there. Maybe we'll see them tonight. Rach and I parted ways because she went to her facial appointment, so we'll meet again later, but I'm gonna have to learn how to take the train by myself. Right now, I'm gonna go home and go to my meetings because I still need to work. And I tried to take a shortcut, but I think I've gone the wrong way because I don't know where I am right now. flower shop is so pretty. I love the vibe of things like this. It just makes me feel so good.
I'm back home and back to work. I've got a meeting in about 7 minutes, just a couple of one-on-ones, and then soon it's going to be the end of my day and I get to go back out and explore, which is going to be very fun.
2 hours later.
So my working day is over. I am now going to go out for a wander whilst waiting for Rachel to be done with her facial. And I think I'm going to go to some of those like beauty shops and buy some makeup and skincare that I need. So let's go have a look for things that Korea is most famous for.
So I was walking by this vintage shop and it looks like it has lots and lots of vintage stuff, but like not super expensive. That's about 19 bucks. That was 25. So yeah, I think I'll have a look. Some of this stuff is so cute. That's only $10. I think this one's quite cute too. And this one's pretty cute. This one's cute. $15. Are these real? They're only $35 for a Burberry scarf. Surely not. I didn't end up buying anything, but that shop was really nice. And it's mainly because I wasn't mentally prepared to buy clothes yet. So we keep looking. I wandered down the main Hongdae street next, so I visited this cute Line Friends store. Korea has so many cute and interesting shops everywhere. When I walked down the street, I felt like my head was turning in every direction and my attention would keep getting caught by something new. I then went to Olive Young, which is a beauty store with lots of brands, so skincare haul coming later in this video. And then I was super hungry, so I stopped by a street food stand for a bite. And these stands have the yummiest snacks like tteokbokki, fish cakes, sausages, fried skewers. Some tips for first timers is you eat all you want first and then you pay when you're done. And when you're done, you can give your rubbish back to the vendor and they'll throw it away in a bin behind the counter. I just got this fish stick, which was 1,500 won. Time for a mini haul! I went to Innisfree and I bought sunscreen. That was 9,000 won. I got this moisturizer, green tea seed cream. It smells really nice. I think it was like 18,000 won. And then they gave me a couple of small samples as well. So that and that. And the total was 42,000 won with the tax refund. I also have, this is not really Korean at all, but I got the Maybelline mascara because I needed a new mascara. That was 11,000 won. A new Neutrals eyeshadow palette. That was, I cannot remember, probably like 12,000 won or something. And then I got this Holika lip balm slash tint, and the total for all of that was 3160, I think. Yeah, well, 31,600 won. So yeah, that's a mini skin haul. I'm gonna take the train by myself, but only one stop. You actually can't really tell though. Yeah. So you have to put a filter on it. No, you can't tell. Pretty. All earrings. Buying these two. This one is 4,000 and this one's 5,000. Total $10. There's so many skincare shops everywhere. Perfect for me.
Do you want to look around?
Are we allowed to record in here?
Do it until you're told not to. Cute shot glasses.
Yeah. This is Lucas's favourite.
Oh!
But I'm not getting him more lollies.
That's in the form of a bear.
I bought him lollies already. These are so cute.
I want one of these. Little Snoopy ones. I'm getting these 2 stickers for Lucas on his helmet. We're eating bibimbap because I wanted it. Oh.
I didn't want bibimbap.
I love rice cakes. Yes, please. Here's what I got. My one doesn't have carrot in it though. Or is it underneath? I'm good. It doesn't have carrot. That was very yummy. I feel very filled. Like that was.
I feel like I'm over soup now.
That was the first proper meal that I had all day.
Yeah. What?
So
Let's list off all the things that you had today, but wasn't a meal.
I had
kimbap.
yeah. I had 2 of those today, and I had my peanut butter sandwiches.
2 of them?
3.
3 of them.
And then I had a banana.
We had half the pastry thing at
Oh yeah.
cafe.
And a
you had
matcha latte. And I had one of those fish sticks from the street food place. I think that's it.
And then a bibimbap. Pretty good.
But more skincare products.
You half got baited, but then you also needed it anyway, so it was like good.
Yeah, it was all stuff I needed. I was gonna buy it, but she attacked me.
Yeah, she was literally pointing at your forehead like, oh, you have dry skin here, here's your trouble, acne, all this stuff, and I was like, oh, okay.
She wanted to sell me on the other stuff.
Yeah.
And then I said, no, I don't want it anymore.
You almost got a free moisturizer with your $50 purchase.
Huh?
Yeah, it was like toner, serum, and a moisturizer, but the moisturizer is free because it comes in a pack.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna sit there. Cold Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, dancing and glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird's song.
That's so cute.
It's now so very bittersweet.
All of them are. I'm gonna buy one of these for Lucas, but I only want it if it's Snoopy or if it's Charlie Brown.
Are you gonna buy it and then open it?
No. No, I'm gonna open it when we get home.
Okay. Oh no!
Back in Sydney. This one.
Give it your blessings. Give it a prayer.
Many pretty things. That one's leather. How do you wear it?
Like,
it's so flat.
And then I think you pop it out. And then you're like, like this.
What is it? Is it like print or embroidery?
I think it's a bit of both.
And you can get anything.
So these ones are patches.
The designs on the back are really nice, like that one, the one that says Nike Hongdae. It looks so good. I like this as well. This is Alpine Ski Club. I need to get breakfast for tomorrow, so I'm getting some eggs. And I was gonna get some baked goods, but they all look a bit fatty. So I'm gonna see what else there is that might be a little bit healthier.
I'm just getting some some drinks. I want to get some drinks to try.
We're going to do a haul. Okay, let's start with what's in my wallet. I bought these 2 stickers for Lucas. Cute.
I got these earrings and they were 7,900 won.
4,000. I don't think that focused. 5,000 won.
What else did you get?
I got this from the pop art store. Very cute.
Yum.
I got 2 eggs. I'm gonna eat one now. Kimbap.
Is that for breakfast?
Is that? Yeah. And also a peanut butter sandwich.
And some apples.
For health.
Very healthy. I got the mochi rolls, the famous mochi rolls. Vanilla. Classic vanilla flavor.
Vanilla.
Yes.
What's vanilla?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah. Vanilla.
Wait, were you saying vanilla?
Yeah.
Oh.
I also got a sausage on a stick.
Yum.
So I like sausages. And then I was craving spaghetti. And pasta. So I got meat pasta for vitamin C. Some orange juice. You can do your skincare. Many things.
I already showed my skincare, my other skincare earlier, but I got 3 more things from Olive Young. I got this Vanilla Co. What is it? It's like a cleansing balm to take my makeup off. I got a 2-pack Care Zone pH foaming cleanser, and also this like cleansing toner pad. Hopefully I don't smell as much tomorrow. Yeah. No, I was gonna buy that jumper. But I didn't get.
Soon to come in another haul.
I need to save some money.